Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video is another knot polish acrylic tutorial. I absolutely love these acrylics. They go on so well. I'm also using some of the Glitterbels because I only ordered a few, well, 3 of the knot polish just to try them. Because they are quite expensive. For the 3 knot polish that I got was like just below £60, and you know, for three pots, if I was to spend that on Glitterbels or CJP, you're getting a hell of a lot more. So welcome back to my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So my hay fever is playing really up today, so I probably sound like I'm loaded with the cold, but I'm not. So I'm starting out on the little finger, and I'm going in with Sweet Tooth, which is a gorgeous kind of like minty tealy colour. It has a hint of a shimmer in it, very similar to Glitterbels Tiffany Teal. So on the little finger I'm going to do an ombre, and when I'm doing my ombre I like to put, when I put the first colour down, I actually like it to cure, and then I go in with my transition colour, which will be Nude Panther. So moving on to the little finger, or sorry, the ring finger, and this is just a full coverage of the Sweet Tooth, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Glitterbels Fairy Crush, which is absolutely gorgeous. I apologise for being slightly out of frame. I do catch on and change it, make sure that my hand is more centralised on when I'm doing the middle finger. So you can see just how easy this knot polish acrylic is to work with. I did say that it is quite expensive, but it's a 2-ounce pot, which is probably like the same size of Glitterbels core powders. So you do get a lot for your money. They are also a 2-in-1 powder, so if you wanted to use them as a dip system, you can also do that. So on top of the Sweet Tooth, I've went in with some of the Fairy Crush from Glitterbels, and I will finish this nail off with some 3D artwork as well. So moving on to the middle finger, and this is going to be another ombre nail, the same as the little one. So I'm going in with my Sweet Tooth. Again, I'm so sorry I'm out of frame here, but I do catch on in a couple of seconds here. So yeah, I'm going in with my Sweet Tooth, and I'm just going to feather that up towards the cuticle area. I'm going to let that cure, and then I'm going to come back in at the end with some of the Nude Panther and do my ombre. Yay, the moment that it clicked that I was out of frame. So now we can see exactly what I'm doing on the middle finger. Moving on to the pointer finger, and again, this is going to be another full coverage of the Sweet Tooth, and then I am going to go in with some of the Snowdrops White and do like a kind of small marble with it, and then I will go in with my favourite colour of all time from Glitterbels, Broken Gold, and I'm just going to add little gold flakes just in certain places on the nail. So I'm going in with my Snowdrops White. I'm working really wet to create the marble effect. So I'm laying it down in a line and I'm just feathering one side of it out just to make it look like a gradual marble. So I'm going to do that with a few different places around the nail, and then, as I said, I'm going to go in with some broken gold. Back now to the little finger, and I'm getting in with the Nude Panther, and I'm going to create the ombre. As you can see, it is so easy to do an ombre with this colour. It just glides on so smooth. So back to the middle finger, and I'm going in again with the Nude Panther just to create the ombre on this nail. Oh, I was being really fussy with the ombre on this nail, I don't know why. But just to finish the nail off, I'm just going to go in with some of the Fairy Crush, and I'm just going to do that in my little swirly Essie shape. So back now to the pointer finger, and I'm going in with some of the broken gold, and then I will go back to the middle finger and I'll also place some broken gold along the line of the Fairy Crush. Now that all the coloured acrylic has been applied, I'm going to go ahead and cap the nails with some glass slippers. As usual though, I'm only going to show one of the nails being capped just to keep the length of the video down for you guys. Now that they're all capped and cured, I'm getting in with my CJP grey file, which I got in my last order, and they are amazing. I absolutely love them. So I'm doing my normal filing routine. I'm starting off at the side walls. I'm making sure that they're nice and straight, and then I'm going to the lower arch, making sure that's nice and straight and coming out in line with the natural free edge. Then I go to the free edge and I make sure that that is nice and straight and the shape that I want it. Once I've done all that, I go to the cuticle area and make sure that's nice and flush, and then I file over the whole of the nail plate, just making sure that there's no obvious lumps and bumps, and then I always finish them off with my buffer. So a quick wipe over with some alcohol before I apply my top coat, and I'm using my Nail Mate top coat from Glitter Planet, which I absolutely love. So I thought I would just on the ring finger just do a simple flower design with one rhinestone in the middle of it, but I'm going to choose one of the larger rhinestones just to make it a bit different than any of the other ones that I've done. And I'm going to cure that rhinestone into the top coat. So this is a really easy but effective 3D artwork. So it's just like placing the petals of a flower just around the rhinestone in the center of the nail. So I do 2 larger petals on the bottom and the top of them, and then I'll just fill in the spaces on the sides just with smaller petals. So as you can see, whenever I'm picking up my bead for my petals, I drain all the liquid out of my brush as soon as I've picked it up. We need the little beads to be quite glossy for them to stick to the top coat already on the nails. So if you go in too dry, they're just going to slide all over the nail and you'll not be able to get the shape that you're after. So you can see it's starting to take shape now. Obviously, if you were doing it on a longer nail, you would kind of position it so that it could be halfway down the nail. I've just found for this length it's so effective, but it is possible to do them on longer nails and you can add even more designs or petals. The list is endless with what you can do with 3D work. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and do that now and hit the little bell. That way you won't miss any more of my videos. And I will see you all in the next one. So take care. See you soon. Bye.